guys, my name is Chapman Kiesler here at Jtech, and today I'm going to be taking off this wheel and taking out the brake pads and taking off the caliper. We're going to start by taking off the wheel.
Take out this bolt. You can, but you take one bolt out and lift it up.
Oh, okay, yeah. Because you can't take this thing completely off.
Some of these are very stripped down.
No, if you take it completely off, you need to compress this.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
So all you gotta do is take off the one bolt, lift it up, take the brake pads out, measure them, come back,
What ones do you take? What year is this? 05, 06?
Alright, so now that we have the wheel off, we're going to go and loosen up this bolt up here, which should let loose the whole caliper. You actually use either the bottom one or the top one, based on which one, which direction you want to have it coming from. This is a 13 millimeter socket, so I'm going to go grab it. Now that we have the right size socket.
I got socks like this that have a text head on it.
Now we have the bolt out. Now we can move the caliper here. You might even want to go ahead and loosen the top one a little bit so it moves a little easier. Definitely don't want to loosen it all the way, or it will be a lot hard to put that together, and it could even fall and damage the caliper and brake pads.
Okay, guys, so today we're working on
Alright, I'll have you come in here and take a look.
the clean and check brake pad.
As you can see, we have the outer frame here, the caliper up here. And I don't want you to ever want to leave this dangling because you have all kinds of brake lines back here, and you definitely don't want to damage any of those. So next thing we'll do is we're going to take out the brake pads here and clean them off and inspect them.
You're going to check while you're doing this, just have it out, check the threads, make sure everything is good. Lift up on the calendar, all the way up, slide out, pin. Just put it there, make sure the wires don't get tangled. So now what you do is take out your
So as you can see here, we have our brake pads. They seem to be in very good shape here. They also can obviously tell they have a good handful of life left on them, just by how much padding is remaining, and it doesn't look like it's anywhere near the warning, that metal piece right there that would rub against the rotor and make a loud noise that would let you know it's time to change them. So they look in pretty good condition.
same process.
I'm going to go and take a look
Metal clip,
at
take the
the
bottom,
caliper now.
slide it in.
Go ahead and take a look at the rotors here and take a look at the caliper and make sure everything looks good. Definitely check and make sure that everything is in contact and still together in one piece. You take a look at the rotors and see that they're in good condition, and they still have a lot of
Take the pin, you put some grease on there,
you know,
put it back in.
material left on them, you know. Check your lines and your hoses. Everything seems to be in really good condition. Seems to be a little loose. So yeah, once you have that, you've done and inspected everything. Now we can go ahead and put the brake pads back inside the caliper. Those will fit inside little sockets that hold them Up here you can see
This sometimes takes a
that
little
shape,
bit of
and
moving
on the
around.
caliper there is a shape that corresponds to this.
And then once you feel
And
it,
it sits like
just
that.
start hand tightening it. And you want to make sure that these are torqued down to the right amount. You don't want to snap that bolt inside the caliper. Make sure that's tight. And that's how you assemble and reassemble brake calipers. Change your brakes. Doing that. Just have something simple. Not in splitting up. I do want to
Do you have to loosen this screw right here?
You can take the whole thing off.
But if you're just, you can just slide it up here.
Yeah, you take the bottom one out, slide. Some of them are a lot easier than others to do that to. Like this one's easy because it's been done to a lot. But I know on my dad's truck, I had to take both bolts out on top to pull the whole caliper off. This truck's actually very easy.
Awesome. Now
Yeah, that end.
we're going to reassemble the caliper and put the bolt back in to hold it in place.
Reassemble it. Disassemble and reassemble.
All we're doing is today we're doing a
Just a
disassemble, reassemble.
drum of a rotor, caliper, and brake, and clean it and check it. That's all it did. It was a check. That thing looked good. That's one video.
Once you get it seated in there, it's hand tight, then you come back,
Take.
tighten it with the wrench.
Okay.
Take one.
You recording me or something?
I think the way he did it, mine was pretty good. Yeah, I sound like decent. The last part, I'm gonna have to just type on the video.
You gonna work in your car?
Reassemble it. Disassemble and reassemble.
Hey, have you looked at your face yet?
Awesome. Now, as you can see, we're back and put this bolt in and tightened it.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna see if the brake pads on this
And we made sure to retighten this one up here that we loosened. Once you've done that, then you'll put the tire back on and torque it once you bring it down, and you'll be good to go.